XMR, we start with daily charges. I want to give a quick update. And if we refer to what analysis, we have been looking for the reversal, but this one is quite different from other charts because we can look at this one as a flat, and this is the only thing. So whether this is a correction and this one is going to turn to a long running flat, including the three waves as a 1, 2, 3 for one more drop before we get the reversal, or this is the start of the reversal. All right, because if we get one more drop, simply the price can retest the lowest price of this correction. At that times, we will be within this correction, which is the bigger picture, and this is what we don't like it, because if this one happen, we will be within this correction for a longer time. That's why if this is the start of the reversal, is good for us. That's why we need to be quite careful. This one is quite complex, and we don't see a really good trade setup to look for, but we want to see what's the next. And even we can run the refer to the indicators, but what we can see here, we can put this one as a three waves, and also this one as a three waves, following by this as a 1, 2, 3 internal flat in relative to this for one move up. Maybe we can look at the chart in this way. That's when if we get any trade for buy, we will take it. All right, but the best things is if we get one more, this one turn to a correction for one more drop with the retest of the lowest price of this correction before we get the reversal. Why? Because it can give us better trade setup to look for rather than price continue from here. Because mostly if we want to look for trade, how we can either we look for the sharp move flag, we take the trade. Mostly it doesn't give us a really good trade because we're looking for 247 as a first target, following by 2454. We need to see the breakout of this, so resist these levels. All right, that's why if this one turned to similarity and if this were one more drop, maybe we can look for the next trade. All right, can we put our entry above here? I won't suggest it, and it depends on the traders, because we need to see the continuation as a sharp move. That's mean if anyone want to put their entry at 237.6, this is what we look once the price sharply break and continue. If the price tag which is not moving, we are not going to keep the trade. Even for the within the first hour or maximum second hours, we take out the trade. But right now we can look at this one as a three waves turns to one, three waves, one, this one. This one can turn to a flat in relative to this for one move up. That's why I prefer this one give me one more drop, at least drop to 224, then any reversal from there I take the trade. Anyway, as I mentioned, still we can look for one move up similar to what we get here, as what I explained based on daily chart, but we need to be quite careful, because what I can see here in terms of the risk and reward, it doesn't give us a really good trade. Even if we get a reversal, I mean sharp move flag, we take the trade, but we need to see the breakout of this zone. Okay, and we cannot consider this one as a flag in relative to this. Anyway, we just follow the chart. Still we can look for buy as I explained based on daily chart, but I don't see a really good trade setup. And what I can see from forward chart, if we get one move up, still we can expect we will be within this down move, because we need to see the breakout of this correction, confirmation for the breakout of this correction. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.